Now, the surface of the Earth is actually composed of a series of movable plates, and they're called tectonic plates. You can see in this diagram here, there's a number of tectonic plates. For example, here is the Pacific plate, and here is the South American plate, and here's the Indian plate. That's an exciting plate. Here's the African plate. So all of these plates, if you were to just look at the Earth, you would think that they were stationary, but they're actually all slowly moving. And this diagram shows you some of the ways that they're moving. For example, the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, these two arrows here, I'll draw them a little bit bigger. These two arrows are pointing towards each other, which means the Eurasian plate and the Indian plate are actually moving towards each other. And that's actually how the Himalayas formed. As another example, over here we've got the Pacific plate and the North American plate here. They've got two arrows which look like this, which means they're actually sliding past each other. And round about here is a very famous fault line called the San Andreas Fault. So their two plates are moving past each other. And there are also some plates, so here's an example right here, where the arrows look like this, and that is because the Eurasian plate and the North American plate are actually moving away from each other. So these tectonic plates, they cover the Earth, and they're actually always very slowly moving, and therefore the continents on top of them are also very slowly moving. And that's a theory called Continental Drift. So the tectonic plates, they're always moving, and so are the continents on top of them. And that's a large part of the structure of the Earth.